Alright guys, so we have a Maytag Whirlpool made dryer, and as you can see, we are testing it on sensor dry. Now sensor dry, I was not getting any heat. So if you're having that issue, follow this repair and get your dryer fixed. Now, when you put it on time dry, you will heat just fine. The element will kick on and everything will be fine. But on sensor dry, which is to the left, you will not get any heat. And the issue, as you'll see as we go along, fixes the issue. All right, 1/4 inch screw. Now, this whole back, okay, is loose. So now you can lift. Okay, so what you're gonna do, this whole front piece, basically, you can push it back, just like that. Okay? So you have little tabs right there, and they lock under and slide forward, holding it forward. So this side probably just needs to be slid back. Okay, so now our top is free. All you want to do is slide it back somewhat, just so you have access to these screws. Now these screws are different, okay? They're, I think, T25, I'll confirm. And I'm gonna be taking off this front piece. So it's a Torx T20, it's not a 25. So Torx 20, and got those out. Got one more left here. Take that one out. Screws, not sure why. In the front you have these Phillips. Then you have the Torx. And I think under here you have some other ones. It's crazy. Make sure it don't fall on you. So, and I think some models actually have screws under here too. So you have to go under here and get those screws. And these are quarters. There's 1, 2,
3, and 1 there, 4. To get all the screws out. Reason for that is the angle. Or if you have a special tool, to be able to access those screws so much easier or better. Now I recommend you leave one screw up top or take these off first. I like to keep these down below at the bottom, just so you don't make a mistake. I know where they go, but leave those there. And then these are your Phillips. These are for plastic. So these are larger heads. Okay, and then you have your smaller ones up here. And then of course these are Torx. All right, so this should be ready to come forward. Close the door. Be mindful of your lid switch. You might need a putty knife or something to grab. Bring it forward. Like I was mentioning, I should have actually taken this off first. No big deal. One hand, it comes off. Done. Okay? So we got those screws out. Okay. That one, we have one more there. And good practice is keep these screws together. They're pretty much the same, but I like to keep all my screws together like this. So while you're putting them back together, you know that all your screws are going to be together. Living off the grid, man.
Yeah, absolutely.
Not
as hard as you think.
No, it's depending on, you know, always on someone. Absolutely.
Always the way, man.
Always. Let me see what I got.
You don't have to. You don't have to.
Alright guys, dryer's up and running. Thanks for watching.